Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here again. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail of this video, I have an epic AliExpress haul for you guys. Now this is all junk journal, planner, scrapbooking, craft related stuff. So I'm not going to chat too much because there's a lot to get through. It was all super cheap, all from AliExpress. Highly recommend AliExpress over eBay. I've just found that most of this craft type stuff is way cheaper on AliExpress. It's not a sponsored video, it's just what I personally use and I just like sharing it with you guys. I don't remember the prices of all of these things, but they're all like literally a couple of dollars. This is the first one. This one I can use in my actual planner. It comes on a wooden block and it's like a check off to-do list. So the next two stamps I have are these ones here. This one with the mushroom and this one with the peacock feather. Again, on a wooden block and nice proper rubber stamps. These were only, I think these bigger ones maybe were about $2 or $3 each. The next two I got were these ones, which are like a postage style one. Again, on a wooden block with the nice rubber backing. Other two I got were these ones here, which is like a bit of script and writing, and then this one is like a monthly calendar that I can use in my planner. So that's those two. These were only about $1.20 maybe, if that. The next one I got were what they call Lomi Cards. I'm not sure what that means, but what they are, this is all the designs on the back. They're just a hard, like they're a pretty strong card, and they've got lots of nice little images on that you can just add to your journals. I thought these were really pretty actually. There's heaps of different ones there. And they just add a nice dimension to your planner or your journal, your art journal, whatever you're doing. So that was that design, and these were only like $1 or so. Like everything I bought was like literally less than $3 per item. So it's all super cheap. That's that one. And then this set was all like the universe. So you've got different galaxies, planets, all to do with space. I just thought they'd be really nice just to add to your journals. The next few little packets I got were these. Now these are all super cheap. I think less than $1. Like I think they might have been 50 cents, 40 cents, something like that. And they're all little packets of tiny stickers. So each box has got different themes in it. So this one is all like on brown type paper, and they're all like little squirrels and rabbits. You've got North Pole there. Looks like a few Alice in Wonderland type things. Paris, there's all different. They're all like vintage style images. So this one I like postage type stamps, but again, they are actually stickers. So you can just stick them straight into your journal. So all different little postage stamps there. Just super cute. Okay, in this one here is like a vintage theme. So again, they're all stickers, but we've got a more of a vintage theme. So we've got some typewriters, little postage thing there, some reefs, hourglass, vintage clocks, envelopes. So pretty. Like these would look nice in a planner display. Some little birds. And this one is all like different maps and world images. So you've got your globes and different maps on the globes, which I really liked. And then this one are mostly, I think, like numbers. I got these to actually number like some calendar pages. So we've got different numbers, symbols, Japanese writing, all the days of the week. I thought they'd come in handy. And then this one are all black and white phases of the moon, or different images of the moon. These are always good to use. They always look good on spreads, I've found. So yeah, different images of the moon there. Wax seals, they're already done. You can just stick them straight on. So yeah, like little wax seal stickers, which I thought were really good. So vintage ticket stickers. So in here, they're like, there's thousands of them. So they're like a vellum style sticker, and they're all like different vintage type tickets. So again, just decoration that you can use in your junk journaling or art journaling and that sort of thing. I just really, really love the vintage style of these. And like I said, they're like a vellum sticker. So see how they're like a clear sticker. So that'll actually look really good on a page rather than being a white sticker standing out too much. You've got a ton of different stickers in this box. I think this box maybe was about $3 or $4. Next little packet of vintage, I think these are vintage stickers as well. Again, these are a vellum style sticker. They will go on clear onto your page. Different sort of stickers and tickets. Coupons. You've got a few of each design, so you can use them up. Some other like advertising tickets. Coupon books. Some number ones. Got a few of those. Original ride. Some vouchers. So yeah, just some, I just think these are just going to be really good. And the next little ticket book I got was this one. So it's just a pad of vintage tickets, and it's just a paper, and you can just stick it in your junk journaling or, you know, whatever you want to decorate. I think this was only about $1 or so. The next packet I got was this vellum stickers, and they're all in that sort of vintage style. You can stick them straight into your journal or planner. A few different styles in there. This packet again, a couple of dollars if that. Got some ticket stubs which are really cute. That one's pretty. Check. And then some paper. This set is written stickers, they're called. They're not hard to find. Just put in junk journal stickers, vellum stickers, anything like that. It'll come up, and then it will even suggest different pages or different sellers that have got similar stuff available, and then you just go down a big rabbit hole and just be on searching online for hours then. So yeah, a few of these little stickers, they're really cute. Some there, some maps, and that's quite pretty. The next packet, again, similar style, just a big packet of stickers and tickets and that sort of thing. I won't go through every single one. You can get the idea from there. This little packet here are just some vintage style envelopes. So you can add these to your journal. They already look like they've, you know, a used vintage envelope. There's many different styles in there. The next set I got was a packet of postcards. So there's 32 in this packet. So these are like a vintage style postcard. They're already sort of aged. They're brand new, but you know, they're made to look vintage. So I thought these would be good as well, because you've got some iconic pictures and places in amongst these as well. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. That one. So yeah, I just thought they'd make a nice addition to some junk journaling pages. I think this packet might have been for $4 or $5 for 32 different postcards, which is not too bad, but this is probably like the most expensive packet that I bought. The other little packet I got were these. These are all just vintage photos and postcards, like different postcards as well that you can use, but more of a script type writing on them. I just really love the look of those. Heaps of different ones there. Have this packet here, so we have some vintage style music sheet, and that's not actually a sticker, it's just some sheets. Same with these, some old school pages, which are really nice. And then we have some sticker type sheets as well, so some newspaper print. This one, these feel like they're actual stickers, like even vellum stickers. I think some of these are clear as well. So a few different kinds there. That one's nice. Got some feathers, some cards. These are all just like little scrap pieces that you can use within your journal. That's pretty. I like that. Bingo tickets, postcards. So yeah, this is just like a mixed bag of different ephemera, I think you would call it, that you can just use in your junk journaling. I just wanted to show you guys a good sampling of everything. Next packet is similar again, so it says junk journal vintage receipts. So I'm assuming this will have a variety of different receipt type papers. So we've got these ones. So these would be like, you know, your vintage office type pit pages, check receipts, check stubs, different graph papers, library book cards, and they're all a sticker as well. So you can just stick them straight into your project. That one, I like that one. That actually looks real. So yeah, this big packet here, and just lots of vintage style stickers in this. Got a bit of a steampunk vibe to it as well, and a carousel, or randoms actually. Some world maps. So yeah, that's that one. This packet, this style, I like these because they're like, you got your mushrooms and your botanicals and that sort of thing. Drugstore, there's your mushroom ones. It's a mail order card book. So it's basically just a notepad of different like mail type cards. Okay, so this just contains, this is actually vintage style paper. So these aren't stickers. They feel very fine and delicate. I really like these because yeah, they actually have a really vintage feel to them as well. So they're not your actual stickers. Just lots of different note papers and certificates, different letters. I really like this set. Almost as if you've just taken some office pages from a 1960s office, ripped out some of the pages to use in your journaling. So yeah, I like that actual kit. This kit, which is background stickers, so I think these are vellum stickers, so I think they're a clear sticker, and you can just use them in your background. You can just cut out the image that you want to use, or you can just lay it on as a full background as it is. So I like those ones. So here we've got some vintage music style sheets in the vellum as well. And these are a sticker. So they're in like a brownish sort of tinge. And we've got all different kinds of music sheets. I really love those. Have a little packet of tickets, which are similar to those other ones in the box that I showed you. So I won't go through every single one of those. They're very similar. And this one too, this is another sort of a vellum packet of stickers. Got some like clips. What's that? Little picture, phases of the moon, some stars, Japanese print, some tick boxes, numbers, some different quotes. I like these actually. Some little pictures here. These are all see-through clear, so you can stick them on. I like these background ones. Little moon. Calendar ones here. Some in gold. Phases of the moon. Some galaxy, stars, constellations. Yeah, and bingo tickets. Next couple of items are washi tape. So I have this roll here, which is a massive roll. And it's actually quite thick as well. And, or is it tape? Yeah, no, it's a sticker tape. So this is great. So it's not actually sticky on the back, but I think you do remove the sticker and it becomes sticky. So this is all different book type stickers. So yeah, again, you can include these in your planner or in your journaling. And it's just a whole roll of different sort of book type stickers. And then I got one that's for the movies as well. So all different movie type sticker boxes there that you can use within your planner or whatever you like. Now, the last few are actual washies. I went a bit washi crazy. So I've got about 10 packets of these. They're all different colours. No, 8 packets I got. But have a look at these. They're just beautiful. So this whole packet, I think each one of these was about $4. And you get 10 rolls of washi in each. And they're all coordinating. Like, how stunning are those? So here it sort of shows you the different tapes, how they look. So I'm not going to unroll every single one. It's just going to be crazy long. But there's that one. You got the blue theme. Look at the bird ones. They're just so pretty. Is that up the right way? Yeah. So those ones. Orange theme. So those ones there. So pretty. Then we have this purple themed one. So those are the tapes there, and those are the washies that you get. How pretty. And for $4 for 10 different tapes, like, I just could not resist. How nice are those? That's the blue theme. That's the pink theme. So pretty. Red theme. Gorgeous. Last but not least, the yellow theme. So that's the yellow one. So yeah, if you're looking for some cheap washi tape, definitely check out AliExpress. These are gorgeous. So that is it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm sorry it went on for so long, but if you love planner stuff and junk journaling stuff, it may have been of interest to you. Hopefully I'll have a few junk journaling videos coming up before the end of this year. I really want to start getting stuck into some of these goodies. So yeah, do look out for those. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.